Hello guys, this is Ivan here. It is almost midnight, Saturday, last day of August, and we are trading live with Reactor Scalper, but Reactor Crypto Scalper version. So as you can see, you can not only trade during the week, you can trade on weekends using Reactor Scalper. This version for crypto. We are in free trades. You see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and this one. So this is a scalper. So we can Bitcoin. We have a trailing stop open. So if the price go down, still will be in the money. Here the trailing stop is not open, but we'll put it here. Oh, we cannot put it. We'll put it now. So this is just to show you that there are products. We have not only that, many products that you can use also if you want to trade during the weekends. One of these products are, you see, X Turbo Trader. X Turbo Trader, trading with Bitcoin or Ripple or any, or this is also ADEX Turbo Trader, also can be used to trade cryptos or anything you like. Also MS16 Trader, fantastic one. Also you can put it, load it to the cryptos and wait for the trades. I'm talking this to you because it is not really midnight, it is 20 minutes more. And if you follow my channel, my YouTube, you would know that we have a special weekend promo. Today is a second day. You can get any indicator or any expert advisor or strategy at a very, very special price, even 75%. The discounts, let's say for indicators, are divided for every day different. So Friday, yesterday price was only 79. Many of you use it, thank you. Today, but only more 30 minutes, 99 euro plus 4 licenses. And tomorrow, only 109 euros, but 3 licenses. So, who was quicker, he got a better offer. But still, today 99 and tomorrow 19 is fantastic. You see Friday price of expert advisor, only 109 for, let's say, this one or any V24 trader or anything. Usually these prices are nearly 300, 400 euros, but you could get it yesterday for 109. Today it is 129, and tomorrow still, this is still here 50% or 60% discount, but free licenses. You see RoboScalper, ADEX Turbo Trader, Reactor, you see 289, that's it. And you see yesterday it was 109, still today, next 30 minutes more left. If you are here, use it. But also tomorrow is 149, it is about 50%. Plus free licenses. Usually, guys, you always get 2 on my web, but here in this promo you could get even 5. So this is the price. You choose any, go to my web page and choose any product you like. You see Omega Trendy Trader. Where is Trendy Trader? You see that there are many products. For each one you can watch the videos, at least for some maybe 20 videos or 30 videos, some which are new, maybe you'll find 5 or 6 videos, but any video you will see how it works. You just go here and click, and automatically you will be connected to my YouTube channel and you can watch all the videos. Trendy Trader, you see 389 for last 3 years, best product on my web, most wanted, bestseller. I think it is the only Trendy Trader of that kind in the market. And yesterday you can get it for 109. Today, but only more 25 minutes, 129, and tomorrow 149, which is still 149, 250 euros less than original price. So it is just a reminder. So there are many products. X Turbo Trader, ADEX Turbo Trader, V20 Plus Trader, but here you see indicator and the trader at the same time. You see, you can choose only indicator, this is all you see, or only Expert Advisor, or both. By the way, always guys, if you this is a RoboScalper. Always guys, this is Omega Turbo Trader, one of the top 3 products. I wanna say always, if you have any requests about my products, maybe you want some combination, for example, you would like to have Omega indicator and Expert Advisor, you must pay both trader and indicator. Maybe if you ask me, send me request, I will calculate you the best price if you are my subscriber, of course. So Omega Turbo Trader, you want both. You see that the Expert Advisor is 289 and Omega indicator only, you can watch the videos, 199. If you are my subscriber, if you are maybe my old customer previous, I will give you a special price for both. Or you can choose any product, any 2 product, or any 3 or more. Ask me for a better special price, I will always help. Plus you will get more licenses, so it means you can use it on not only 2 MT4 account numbers, you can use it on more, depending of what you need. You see that previous trades are finished and it is moving. You see it open buy trade was, and it should be over here, but this broker, you see, has a very big spread, and that's why this is the spreads of 30 pips or so, 20 pips, so that's why the trade was open here. It should be open here. So always, for any scalper, guys, are using not only my scalpers, because in scalping you are not making hundreds of pips, you are making maybe 10-20 pips, and then you need low spreaded broker, which has normal spreads, maybe 5, 3, 10, but not more. You see 33 Bitcoin, I don't know. It is oof. It is because of this is spread here 21, 24, so this is too much. I put scalper here just to show you that it works during the weekend, but if I will be trading live, I will not use this. You see 8 cup broker, it is not good. It is good if you trade normally long-term trades on daily charts, 4 hour, when you need to make 100, 200 pips, then this 10 pips doesn't mean so much. But if you are using on M1, M5, M15 scalping, then every pip is important. So don't use it here, because you will have minus, instead you will have plus, just because this spread. This is enormous spread. Enormous. It should be 0 to 10 pips maximum, not more. You see, most of this is all the cryptos. Most are far away from what we want, 10 times more. So we should be in the money here. If we don't have 26 pips, you know what is 26 pips, it should be here. Yeah. So guys, it would be all. If you want to use this promo with better discounts today, be quick, 15 minutes left. Okay, because of this video I keep you. I will give you more 1 hour from this video. If not, you can use Sunday prices, which are also fantastic. 109 for any indicator, or 149 for any extra advisor. But still today, if you are quick, this is the price. Have a nice night here. See you next day. Bye bye.